Hi sir, I'm Nandita. I want to ask that, recently in Tamil Nadu, actor Vijay has entered into politics. So how do you see his breakthrough from an actor to politician? And do you think if he's entered into politics as an independent or with alliance? Because you both have similar breakthrough into actor to politician. So do you have any advice to him?
Normally, I don't give advices to anybody because because everyone is capable. Once someone is old enough, I think even to my own kids, I don't give them advice unless I'm asked. But when it comes to the question you raised to Mr. Vijay, they're capable, and he's a very big hero, very big star, and everyone has a right to come into to set up a political party, to come into politics. I think it's great if they serve their own, whatever their role they have they gotten into. But you have to stick around. My question to anybody is, even for example, right from the Mr. Shiva to anyone, no matter who, big, small, it doesn't matter. I think to achieve anything, you have to stick around. You have to you have to be an exceptional risk taker. Don't expect any results, which I didn't expect. When I got into politics, I told myself there was no precedent and there was no hope for me. I only came into politics because there's a lot of unanswered questions in me. There's a lot of, and a lot of anger and injustice. I want to say something. I want to stand for something. In this process, I never had a thought to become something. I want to do something. So that should be what I think anyone should look at it, no matter who they are and what they are.
Yeah, sir. Add on to that, you are serving the nation by being a politician. So if you're not a politician, how would you have served the nation?
I would not have served the nation, but I would have served the earth, Mother Earth. Now, the only thing is I would have been something I would have been a big conservationist. That's what I learned. That's all.
So regarding the advices part, sir, not giving and not taking advice is the most Gen Z thing. And you said that.
No, say it again.
So advice ivvakapovam, advice teeskokapovam is a very Gen Z thing.
No, they give a lot of advices, but they also take advices. No, but it won't be like that. No, just stand. Because at home I feel that they don't like advice, but they seek advice.
Okay. So next one, please.
Hello, sir. My name is Tipparaju Tilak. So I'm an aspiring filmmaker and an actor. I'm also a content creator from Hyderabad. Same atanadina question lagane same I want to ask, but in a different way. Meer okavela content creator ayyunte what initiative would you take to develop? Not just the content.
The content creation, what I believe in is.
So until
any content creation should make you. I think any content, if you read a book, or if you look at something, if you share some ideas, I think it should make you a better person. It should uplift it should make you better than what you are as of now. So content creation has it depends on how many elements, how many aspects of human nature is there. And if you go into a library, what kind of books you choose depends on your approach. So in the same way, when I do content, if I want to do content creation, for example, when I said for me, I do about patriotism and conservation of nature. If I'm a content creator, I look at about Shruti's basketball thing, whatever she's going through, the volleyball thing, I'll try to hold it. This is the issue which is happening. So I try to raise that kind of issues. Or else some kind of nullamala or some kind of uranium is happening, maybe I would have raised that issue. So for me, maybe I might not get as many likes as possible. I might not be, I would not have done for likes. That's all I can say. Yes. But I would do something constructive which would benefit the people or society around.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hi, sir. My name is